Welcome to Once Upon a Tale of Kids. Join us on magical adventures filled with enchanting stories, fun animal friends, and exciting lessons. Don't miss a single moment of the fun. Hit the subscribe button and be part of our storytime journey. Let the tales begin.
Welcome, little ones. Tonight, we have a very special story about sweet dreams and wonderful adventures. Are you ready to go on a journey while you sleep? Close your eyes and get cozy as we begin our story. Once upon a time, in a world where dreams come alive, there was a kind little girl named Lily. She loved to listen to stories before bed and had the most wonderful teddy bear, Benny. Benny wasn't just an ordinary bear. He had a magical secret. Lily, Benny, can we have a sweet dream tonight? Benny, of course, Lily. But only if we visit Dreamland together. Are you ready for an adventure? As Lily and Benny drift off to sleep, they find themselves walking down a glowing path. It was the magical way to Dreamland, where everything was bright and full of wonder. Flowers danced in the wind, and the stars twinkled like diamonds in the sky. Lily, excitedly, wow, Benny, look at all the beautiful colors. Benny, every dream here is a place of kindness and happiness, Lily. Let's explore. As they explored, they met a friendly butterfly named Bella, who loved to share stories of dreams. Bella, butterfly, hello, Lily. Hello, Benny. In Dreamland, every dream is special. Some dreams help us feel brave, others teach us to be kind, and some even take us on magical adventures. Lily, curious, what kind of dreams do we get to have, Bella? Bella, gently, all kinds of dreams, Lily. You just have to be kind and believe in the magic of your heart. They arrived at the dream garden, where the flowers bloomed in different shapes and colors, each one representing a different dream. Some flowers were pink and soft, bringing dreams of kindness. Others were golden, bringing dreams of courage. Lily, in awe, I've never seen a garden like this before. How do the flowers know what dreams to give? Benny, smiling, the flowers listen to your heart, Lily. They know what you need most, whether it's a dream of bravery, friendship, or adventure. Lily, I picked the adventure flower. Can we have an adventure, Benny? Benny, of course. Let's see where this dream will take us. As the golden flower glowed, Lily and Benny found themselves standing in front of a magnificent castle made entirely of fluffy clouds. It sparkled like the stars themselves were part of its walls. Lily, excited, wow! A castle in the sky. Benny, inside, we might meet some very special dream keepers. They protect the dreams of all children. Moonbeam, smiling, welcome, Lily and Benny. We've been waiting for you. Here, you can make any dream come true. What dream would you like to have? Lily, thoughtful, I want to dream of helping my friends and being kind to everyone I meet. Moonbeam, that's a beautiful dream, Lily. You're already spreading kindness just by thinking of it. The Moonbeam smiled and offered Lily and Benny a special challenge. In Dreamland, every act of kindness creates a new flower. If you can be kind to everyone you meet, new flowers will bloom. Lily, determined, let's do it, Benny. We'll help everyone we meet. With every act of kindness, a beautiful new flower bloomed in Dreamland. Soon, the whole land was full of colorful blooms, each one representing a moment of kindness. After a day full of kindness and adventures, it was time for Lily and Benny to return home. They waved goodbye to Dreamland, knowing they could visit again anytime they wanted. Lily, smiling, thank you, Benny, for showing me how special kindness can be. Benny, happily, you already knew that, Lily. You just needed to see it in Dreamland. And so, Lily drifted into a peaceful sleep, surrounded by the sweet dreams of kindness and adventure. And remember, little ones, every act of kindness you do, whether big or small, makes the world a brighter place. Sweet dreams to you, too. Good night, and may your dreams be filled with magic, love, and kindness. Thanks for watching. Remember to spread kindness and always believe in the magic of your dreams. Sweet dreams.